Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and today I am going to discuss about sweep command in Revit. So if you will go to your families tab here, you can click this one, create a new family file. So I'm going to create a family file. I will click new, and then I will go to my family templates here, and you can choose English Imperial or English metric profile. So I'm going to select English Imperial. If you are working in metric profile, you will select English metric profile. So I'm going to select generic model profile here, and you can select this one, generic model.rft. I'm going to select, and I will open this family profile here. And now we are here. These are all our forms, and in the previous tutorial I have discussed about extrusion, blend and revolve. Now today I am going to discuss about sweep command here, and if there will be time we will discuss this one also. So I am going to select this command sweep. So if you see the definition, it creates the 3D shape by sweeping a 2D profile along a path. So we are first required to create a path. So if I am going to select this sweep command, you can see here this is a sweep, and this one is a sketch path. That means you are required to draw any path here, and after finishing path you will create a profile, or if you have previously downloaded some profile, so you can load profile here also. So I am going to first select this, and you can also pick path. So I will make you understand what is this. So I am going to first select a sketch path here, and now I am going to draw a simple path here, that is straight line, and you can draw anywhere. So I am going to draw a straight line here of 8 feet length. And if you are saying this is a top view, we are in a floor plan reference level. So this is a top plan, and this is green line is showing you a plane. So in top view, if you see, plane will be like a line, and this is the path. So if you go to 3D view here, you can, this is the imaginary plane here. So after that you can draw any profile here, and that profile will follow this path. So that is the meaning of sweep. So if you have used 3ds Max for your project, you will be familiar with this command. So I am going to first finish this one, and you can create this profile here. Now you can edit profile, or if you have profile already downloaded, you can load from here. So I am going to draw in 3D view, or you can go to any elevation view also. So I will go first, I will go to edit profile here, and now you can draw any shape here, any profile. Suppose if you are making any cornice for doors and windows, you can draw it here. I will show you. And I am going to draw a simple circle here of any radius. And after creating, this is a, suppose this is a profile, you can finish this one, finish edit mode, and you will click once more, and you can see this is like a wire or some pipe. This is our sweep command. This is the basic function of this command, sweep command. So you can create any shape using this sweep, and if you want to edit this also, you can select this, and you can edit sweep from here. After that you can change material from here also. You can apply any material here, and I am going to edit this, and after that you can change path also, sketch path, and you can change path also. Suppose I want to make it curve, so I will go and draw a curve here. So I will go to this floor plan view, and I will draw a curve line here, and now I will delete this one. and you can see this plane is following now curve path. After that you can use this finish edit mode, and now I'm going to edit profile. So after if you select in plan view edit profile, it will ask that go to view. So you are required to go to either your elevation left side view, elevation right side view, or 3D view. And so I am going to show you in 3D view so that you can understand it better. So I am going to select this 3D view. I am going to open view, and now I am going to edit this profile, and I will select this pentagon here. Sorry, it's a hexagon, so I will make it hexagon, and I will finish this, and I will click once, and you can see this shape is changed with the help of sweep profile. You can edit also your profile, and after that you can apply material from here, and you can load in directly into your project, or you can save it as a family, save as and save it as a family, and you can create your own libraries. So now I will show you how you can pick path. So I am going to create a architectural template here for your project, and I will quickly draw a wall here, and I will enter 10 feet height here. I will show you. I'm going to draw a 20 feet wall, and I will apply a window here, and I'm going to apply any window size here. And we are going to your 3D view, and you can see this is the wall and this is the two window. So I want to create a cornice around this, any decorative shape, so you can use sweep command. So I will go to this architecture component. You can also create a family. I'll go it from here. I will go and select model in place, and then I will select this generic model here, and you can give it name any cornice, and now I will select this sweep command. Now I will not sketch path, I am going to pick path. I will select this pick path, and it's asking pick 3D edges, so I am going to select this edge, and you can see this edge and this edge. So I want to create a cornice, so you can see this is our plane, imaginary plane in green dash line. So I am going to use this command now, finish edit mode, and after that is asking either to load profile or edit profile. So I will create my own profile, edit profile. I will go 1 inch, I will go 2 inch, and I will come 1 inch further, and I will go further down. I will create any arc here. You can draw any shape here, and I am going to draw a simple shape here. And you can draw a file here, and now I am going to finish this one. You will see your 3D view. You can see this is our profile. I am going to finish this. I will click once, and you can see cornice is created. So this is the shape which we have created with the use of sweep blend and pick path method. I am going to realistic mode here, and this is the profile, and you can change this profile material also from here. You can apply any material. I am going to create a new profile, and I will apply white ivory, apply OK, and now you can see material is changed. You can, after finishing, you can click this finish edit mode. So after that you can work in your architectural project, and you can make this wall profile easily cornice. Any decorative shapes you can make with the help of sweep command. So slowly you have to develop your own skill. After that, if you want to again edit, you can select this and you can go here, edit in place, and after that you can again edit sweep, and you can change your profile. Suppose if you want only half of this, you don't want here, you can go and select this pick path, and you can delete this profile here, and you can use this split here. I'm going to split this line, or you can directly drag it here. I want till here, so you can see this line is only till here. After that you can finish this, double click, and you can see only half portion is created with this cornice. So likewise you can develop your own skills. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will come with another command in family creation. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.